This was basically a factual question. It says ECG shows supraventricular tachycardia. This guy, this idiot, he took so much coffee. It has his sympathetic system. Coffee, what does coffee does? It excites you, and he got so much excited. He now has supraventricular tachycardia. And write this somewhere down. The treatment for supraventricular tachycardia. See, what's better? An injection is better, a medicine is better, or nothing is better. I mean, natural. Whenever you feel cold, you have this cough. What do? You drink first of all whatever home remedies, right? Natural. So from this, first of all, the treatment of supraventricular tachycardia goes the same. First primary treatment is always natural, which is you do vagal maneuvers. One of the vagal maneuver is Valsalva maneuver. Other vagal maneuver is dipping the face in cold water. Not warm water, guys. Not warm water. Cold water. Okay. There are many other maneuvers. You can read it down here. Carotid sinus massage here. Then there is a diving response, facial immersion in ice water, which is low pressure on eyeball. When you press this eyeball, parasympathetic nervous system. What happens when parasympathetic nervous system? What happens when vagus gets activated, guys? Parasympathetic nervous gets activated. Heart rate comes down, which means tachycardia will come down. Tachycardia means fast heart rate, which we ultimately need to decrease that. So yeah. Answer will be vagal maneuvers. Primary treatment is always vagal maneuvers. This is a classic question of USMLE. This you will find in many Q banks. Not only this. Another second line treatment. You should know this thing. Write this somewhere. First line treatment is always vagal maneuvers. The 4 vagal maneuvers are this 4. But just remember Valsalva, and that shall do the stuff. Okay, there will be not like carrot. This is the standard maneuver. Second is always an adenosine infusion. You're giving injection, medicine injection you are giving. That is second line, right? After natural comes the medicines. So adenosine infusion. Yeah, that's the second line, which all of you guys selected. Which was the second line. The third line, if nothing is working, ultimately you are going to that synchronized cardioversion. What is that? You know, many film you that patient chest, they put those leads and patient goes jumping and do all this stuff. That is called synchronized cardioversion. That should be the third line treatment, and if nothing happens, then patient is dead. Patient is declared dead. See option B, drinking coffee. Give him more coffee, he'll straight out die. Giving his face in warm water, no, cold water should do the thing. Warm water shall do nothing. It does nothing.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.